that again. One day in London, I stumbled upon this girl and she had the most perfect smile. And I said, what did you do? What's your secret? She said, well, I've got veneers and this is where I went. And she came here. And she told me it was already years since she had, and she was really, really happy. I mean, obviously it looked amazing, but also health-wise, everything was great, which, you know, was a big concern for myself. I decided to reach out to the clinic. I have felt very, very comfortable since the first moment I set foot in here. Everyone is so nice, but the whole environment is so professional. You can really tell this place is cutting edge, and the team are the best in what they do. And I'm so glad I came, honestly. I pretty much did the full set done. I got implants first, which I needed, and then I needed some gum work. And then in the end, I got the veneers. And the result, I love it. And I get so many compliments. Ever since I got this done, people are like, oh my God, your smile is so good. Well, like, how do you get a smile like that? And I'm like, Ebru. I'm so happy I found this place. And of course, you can contact me if you want to talk. I'm happy to answer questions. Feel free to reach out.